Elastic ties. Tightened around the bracket, these small elastic bands work to hold the arch wire to the brace. These elastic bands lend a helping hand in guiding the teeth to move in a desired direction. These elastic ties come in many different colors, as well as clear and silver to match your type of bracket. Power chain. A power chain is a connected row of elastics that are used to fix a range of issues, including gaps between the teeth to very rotated teeth. Steel ties. A steel tie provides an extra hold when securing the arch wire to the bracket. They may be used alone or under elastic ties, as well as power chain. Use the end of a pencil eraser to tuck any unwanted pigtails up underneath your arch wire.